And we have some practice here. So what will we do our task or our code? It's a length of username. So it means if I run the code, here is enter your username. I will enter, for example, this is my username for login somewhere, and I will put here my username, click enter or press enter, and your username is David Sedek, and the length of username is 10. Okay, because there are 10 letters. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can try it by yourself. Okay, so I hope you were successful. I will show you the code. It's not so difficult. So you just ask by the input the user for his username. He will put there, for example, David Sedek. It is stored in username, and we will print your username is the username, and the length of the username is len of username. Okay, you can in the previous video we saw that for example this example as well can be written by or on 3 lines as well. Okay, but it is no problem if you will write it in a different way.